coming weeks, even with all the social distancing measures in place. Joining us right now with Dr.
We're gonna die!
St. Mary.
Don't let this be you. Get dressed. Do your hair. Because when you look good, you feel good. Okay, dolls. So, don't worry. We're all going to get through this together. I did my makeup, and now I'm feeling a little bit better. This is week 3 of quarantine here in California. Although it seems like it's been 3 months already. Let's keep hope alive and keep sending them prayers up. Okay, so now that I have my makeup done, it's time for me to go ahead and do my hair. If this is your first time watching a wig video because maybe your hairdresser is closed and now you have to resort to doing your own hair, and maybe it may not turn out too well, don't worry, your girl's got you covered. I have plenty of detailed install tutorials on my channel, so just go ahead and binge watch them all. Okay, dolls, so today's video, I'll be reviewing this unit I received from Superb Wig, and they went ahead and sent me their full lace wig. So I'm gonna let you guys get a closer look at what this unit looks like. This is a full lace wig, and that basically means that all the hair strands are hand tied to this unit and there are no wefts. It also comes with an adjustable elastic band, and you can add this to your unit to wear it glueless. Now, y'all know I washed this wig as soon as I got it. So I just want to give you a quick view of this unit straight out the box. As you can see, it does come pre-plucked. And the curls on this wig were a little bit tighter. It looks a little more relaxed after the wash and condition. But look how beautiful the curls are. And this is in 18 inches. This is also a 360 unit, and the cap size is 22.5 inches. Since my head is 22 inches, I'm going to just adjust the regular elastic bands so that it fits a little bit more snug. Now, before I try this unit on, I did want to show you guys the lace. The lace on this unit is Swiss lace, which means that it's almost invisible for most complexions. Now, Superb Wig is really confident about their lace. They actually requested that I do a lace comparison to show you the difference between their lace and the others. They did send me lovely Brianna's lace comparison video, which I've never seen before. If you are interested in watching it, I will link it in the description box down below. And guys, don't worry, as soon as I finish this hair tutorial, I'll be watching a couple of nail tutorials to take care of these nails of mine. Really quickly, I'm gonna run through the different types of laces, since many of you guys may be trying wigs for the first time, and some of you guys been wearing wigs and still don't know. So let me just go through those really quick for you. This is a lace that comes with many units. This lace is thick and sturdy and is the most durable out of most of the laces, which is why this is the standard lace used on most units. As you can see, it has a slight brown tint to it. And if I apply it to my hand, you can see it's not bad in comparison, but this color won't match many complexions. And I'm gonna just spray this down with some water, just so you can get an idea of what this will look like once it is melted. And this is what it will look like on my complexion. I'm gonna bring my mannequin assistant in just to give you an idea of the variations of how it will blend for different complexions. So I'm gonna take the same lace that I just applied to my hand and apply it to this mannequin. And as you can see, the brown tint to the lace is a lot more visible on lighter complexions. The second type of lace that's really common on lace wigs nowadays is the transparent lace. Now, the transparent lace is slightly thinner, it's a little bit more flexible, and instead of being tinted brown, it's just clear. One of the downsides of a transparent lace is that unless you are really lighter complected, you will have to most likely tint the lace to blend. So the easiest way to blend a transparent lace is to add your face powder or make up the same color of your complexion to your lace, and that will get your lace to blend a lot quicker. I'm going to show you what this transparent lace looks like against my skin. As you can see, it's a lot lighter than my complexion, and I'm going to add some of this water to the lace to give you an idea of what this will look like when melted. And as you can see, the lace is still very light and very visible. On the contrary, once I wet this and place it on my mannequin, you can see that the color of this lace blends a lot nicer than the traditional lace. However, the lace is still slightly visible. Now, the lace on the unit that Superb Wig sent me is the HD lace. So this is the lace that you may see a lot of companies touting nowadays as the invisible lace, undetectable lace, and it looks like this. And as you can see, this lace is almost see-through. It's really almost invisible once you put it on your skin. This lace is a lot thinner, it's a lot more flexible. However, on the downside, it is a lot more sensitive and easier to tear. So you have to make sure you exercise care when dealing with lace that are Swiss lace. Now, this lace is going to give you the best blend out of all. And as you can see, this lace is almost invisible. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water just to give you an idea of what it would look like once blended. And this basically speaks for itself. If my hand wasn't wet, you probably wouldn't know where this lace start or ended. Now I'm gonna take this lace and add it to my mannequin just to see if it has the same effect on lighter complexions as well. And as you can see, this lace is the most versatile for all complexions because it becomes virtually undetectable once applied to the skin. Now I'm gonna just spray all three of the laces to my arm just so you can get a side-by-side comparison. And it's easy to see the quality of this lace because it is the thinnest and it blends the best. I did mention that this unit does come pre-plucked, but I'm going to be really conservative and just pluck the front of this unit slightly to my liking. Now, of course, this step is optional and not necessary. I started to pluck the back of this unit, but that was just too much work, so I'm gonna skip that. This is what the hairline looks like once I'm finished. Okay, so now I'm ready to cut the lace off this unit, and I'm gonna use my scissors. You guys see me do this a million times. And since this is a 360 unit, I'm gonna cut the lace all the way around because I do plan on wearing this up in a ponytail. This is what the lace looks like. And now I'm ready to try this on. I'm gonna be laying this unit down with my Got2b glue gel, and I'll probably use this spray as well. I don't feel like doing a ball cap. I actually don't even think I'm gonna wear a cap at all underneath here. So this is gonna be the first time I'm actually spraying the back of my hair down. So let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna just take some of this Got2b glue gel and apply it to the perimeter in the front. So what I like to do is see where the lace is and then push it back just a little. And I blow dry it enough just to make it tacky, not completely dry. And then I'm gonna lay that lace right down on top of the gel. Now I'm gonna apply the Got2b glue spray to the back. So since I can't see back here, I'm gonna just feel to how my hairline goes. And this is not fitting flush over my ear. So I'm just gonna take and cut a little piece of this lace off. And I'm laying the lace on top of where I applied the gel. And I will tell you that if you do plan on gluing or gelling your hair down in the back, you want to be sure to take care of that kitchen because the hair will get in the way of the adhesive sticking. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hairline down just for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna take this scarf off. I'm gonna put some mousse on the top to lay this down a bit. Now at this point, I'd either put some of my Lotta Body curl activator into the hair to bring the curls, just bring it really alive, or I could use my Got To Be Glue Kinky spray. This is really good as well as far as helping to really define the curls. But I got a sudden urge to straighten this hair. I want to see what it looks like straightened. Then I'll wet it back up to see if the curls come back. So I'm not going to put the products in my hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it. I'm gonna add some heat protectant. Now I'm gonna go in with some of my wax stick near the parting area just to get everything nice and slicked down. So this hair actually straightened very well, and this is 150% density, but I think this looks actually pretty good. And this is 18 inches, and as you can see, after I straightened it, it got extremely long. Next, I think I'm gonna add some foundation to the parting area. Since I don't have a wig cap underneath, I feel like the part looks a little less defined. Now I'm gonna try to put this up in a ponytail. Although this unit is only 150% density, I will say that once straightened, it did appear to be very thick. And you guys know you haven't really done a ponytail until you caught carpal tunnel in your hands. So I guess I successfully completed that mission. And guys, no lie, this ponytail was so hard to make because I used Got To Be Glue gel instead of glue, because every time I pulled it, the back would lift, and it was very frustrating. This literally took me forever to do, guys. You have no idea. However, this is my first time actually attempting this, so it's all trial and error, and you learn from your mistakes. So I just wanted to point that out for you guys so that your install will turn out even better. And here's my ponytail, and I'm gonna give you guys a view from the back, which, by the way, I did end up having to call my daughter for help because that Got To Be glue was placed everywhere but under the lace. And here's the final look of my bun. Did she kill it or what? So I did decide to go outside because y'all be asking for outside shots. I went on my balcony so you could see what this looks like in natural sunlight. And when I was ready for bed, your girl just took it off and put it on her dresser. So I did want to come in and give you guys a view of what this wig looks like on natural skin with no makeup. This hair looks very natural when straightened, kind of reminiscent to a relaxer. And dolls, you know I had to test to see if the curls come back, and I'm happy to report that yes, they do come back. So if you like the wet look, just add some Eco Styling Gel and head out the door. However, I did notice that the curls were slightly more relaxed. So if you do prefer the original curl pattern, then you might want to forego straightening the unit. However, I did find that I had a lot more versatility with this unit with straightening it, so I don't regret it at all. And this is what the hair looked like once it dried. As you can see, the curls are a little more defined. Okay dolls, so I've given you a full rundown on which color lace is perfect for your complexion, as well as all the details on this unit. I have been wearing this wig for about a week now. I've been playing with different hairstyles. That's one of the beauties of the full lace. You can actually explore different hairstyles wearing your hair up. However, I will tell you that gluing a wig down in the back of your hair is a lot of work and should be held for special occasions. In other events, just wear your elastic band, secure it in the back, take the comb that's in the back, tuck it underneath, and head out the door. It's just not worth all the hassle, at least in my opinion. Try it yourself and see what works for you. So I've given you all the pros for this unit. I have been wearing this unit for about a week now, and I just want to tell you the cons. Now, the cons of this unit is, like I said, this lace is very delicate, so you have to be mindful about that if you're using this lace. The second con to this unit is the shedding. So we all know that curly hair typically sheds a lot. This hair sheds when it's straightened as well. This hair just sheds. So just know that this hair sheds. But outside of that, I really am enjoying wearing this. I do like the hair straightened. It gives me a fresh, relaxer look. In real life, it doesn't really pick up that much on the camera, in my opinion, but in real life, it looks like it could be my hair. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have it linked in the description box down below, as well as everything else that I used in this video. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and share this with a friend or two who you know wear lace fronts. I am trying to get my reach back on my videos, and I would really appreciate your help. If you could just share it with one friend, it would be amazing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out. So dolls, is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.